Unit 90, Our Inner Senses. If we had to rely on only 5 senses for survival, we would be in very sad shape indeed. We wouldn't know up from down. We wouldn't know when to eat or drink. We wouldn't know what our muscles were doing or what position our limbs were in. We wouldn't know when our body was damaged because we wouldn't feel pain. We might freeze to death without even a shiver or overheat without a drop of sweat. The 5 senses, touch, taste, smell, hearing, and sight, respond only to stimulation from the outside world. But the inside world of our bodies must also receive and respond to important messages. Our internal senses keep us alive and enable us to use our external senses. In fact, the internal senses tell our brains how to run our bodies. Hunger and thirst register in a part of the brain called the hypothalamus when a lack of food chemicals is detected in the blood. Another internal sense that controls our balance is maintained by 3 fluid-filled loops in the inner ear. Changes in position and gravity affect the motion of this liquid and trigger changes in the brain. A sense called kinesthesia lets us know the relative positions of parts of our bodies. Even our breathing is triggered by a sense that identifies an overabundance of carbon dioxide and the lack of oxygen in the blood. No one has been able to count the number of internal senses. The presence of delicate internal senses shows just how marvelous complex we human beings are.